Hey guys, good morning. It's Tony. I just wanted to update you guys on that Nike play. This is the very first example of the breakout strategy that I basically taught you guys like a week or so ago, or 2 weeks ago. I don't remember, but I've been talking about it, just teaching you guys the breakout strategy. This is the first one that I've actually done live to kind of showcase, but so far it's playing out very well. Again, I did want to kind of enunciate that Nike is a perfect example of this working. Again, this strategy won't make you money every single time. It's about being consistent, right, over time and making the most money over, like, this is about winning 7 or 8 plays as opposed to winning like all 10 of them, right? It's about being consistent more than anything else. But this one, Nike is actually showing really good momentum in the first week. I think we actually just bought these this week, or I think late last week. But again, like we bought calls about a month out. Generally, I try to do a month and a week out. Thankfully, Nike's actually playing out pretty well for the first week or so that we've been holding these. But I just kind of like to tell you guys that, don't expect this every time. What we're expecting is price to hit our price target, our TP, after about 2 to 3 weeks, possibly a month or so. That's what the actual expectation is. If it actually ends up hitting before then, amazing, right? But this, thankfully, the first one that we did for the breakout strategy is working out very well. But again, this is a unicorn, right? It's a very hyper example of what the trade should be in a couple of weeks, not necessarily the first week, right? But so far, playing out relatively well. We're up about 50%. Again, the breakout strategy is to be used to kind of be like your monthly play or whatever. I usually only trade the breakout strategy for options. And like I said, you really only need 1 or 2 solid trades. You really only need 1 or 2 solid trades, though. You really only need 1 or 2 solid trades for the month. That's really it. On this play, I'm pretty sure we're going to be making a little bit over 50%. But again, we're looking more for accuracy and consistency, right? So if I put $5,000 into this play, we'd be up $2,500 right now, and it still hasn't hit our TP. TP for Nike is 164. It's not selling anything until it hits 164, and again, that can happen this week. It can happen 3 weeks from now. That's why we have those long dated calls. But again, I just kind of wanted to update on Nike, the breakout strategy, how far we're up, and what expectations should be. You shouldn't expect these kind of runs on the first week that you buy the calls, right?